Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always go back to the standard one by swiping up or clicking on this area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same no blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!